Welcome to the Study and Succeed course on study skills. My name is Lindsay Smith, and I have been a teacher and a tutor for over a decade. Before I became a teacher, I went to Harvard to receive my master's degree in education. This is me with my brother on the day of my graduation from Harvard. However, you need to know that schoolwork did not always come easy for me. Actually, it was quite the opposite for many years. This is an actual note one of my teachers sent home to my mother. It says, "Dear Mrs. Woods," that's my maiden name, "please discuss these papers with Lindsay. She must study each evening to improve her skills in math, science, and social studies. She needs to record work in her plan book," which was another way of saying an academic planner. My teacher saw that I was struggling in almost every subject. At this point, I didn't know how to study and I had not developed good organizational habits. As a result, I was getting grades like this. On this test, I scored a 67% or a D. On this test, I scored a 36% or F. As you can see, academic success did not come easy for me. Thankfully, this teacher helped me to understand that I needed to master study skills to become a successful student. From that point on, I set a goal for myself to figure out better study strategies so that I could improve my grades. What I found out is that most people think IQ is the greatest predictor of academic success, but it's not. In fact, research shows that the best predictor of how successful students are is whether they have good study habits and time management skills, which early on I did not, as you saw. Anyway, I spent years doing research to find the best study strategies and tips. I kept learning more about good study habits through my time at Harvard, and I continued researching and learning about them afterwards. I wanted to help other students so that they could benefit from what I learned. Creating this course was one way I hope to make life easier for other students, the same way study habits made life easier for me. This course is an overview of the best study strategies, and the advice is based on scientific research. It will help you to learn more and get better grades in school. In the course, you will learn strategies for time management, organization, setting goals, creating action plans, taking notes, studying for tests, and more. So let's get started.